Very good morning to all. This lecture is about cloud orchestration and load balancing, and the code is we are going to start Unit 2, the recall and describe cloud management techniques such as middleware, resource provisioning, metering, and orchestration. What is cloud management platform? Cloud management means the software and technologies which is designed for operating and monitoring applications, data, and services residing in the cloud. So, cloud management is related to the development of the software over cloud. And this development also include the deployment and the monitoring, the function of the applications. Cloud management tools are there which helps to make sure that cloud computing based resources are working properly, they are optimizing the resources very well, and it's interacting properly with different users and other services. Cloud management is the exercise of administrative control over public, private, and hybrid clouds. The cloud management strategy, if it is well implemented, then it helps user to maintain control over the dynamic and scalable cloud computing environment. So the well cloud management strategy, if it is implemented properly, then it will earn the confidence from the client, the reliability will be more, and the quality of service will be good. The cloud management goals and the importance of these cloud management goals to the organization who are offering cloud computing services to help them to increase their business and to provide the best services to their clients or to their customers. Self service capabilities. The self service capabilities, it eliminates the traditional process which are associated with IT resource provisioning. Users can access a public or private cloud, and they can also review the current cloud computing instances and create the new ones, or just not create, it can be monitored. The cost can be adjusted, and the resource allocation also can be customized. With reporting, users can track cloud budgets and reduce or delete unused instances to cut operating expenses. So all these characteristics comes under self-service capabilities, where user can self service themselves. Workflow automation. The cloud management enables workflow automation And this automation helps organization to increase their turnover. It also can impact the business policies into the actionable steps which are needed to create and manage cloud computing instances without the need for human intervention. So workflow automation helps organization to reduce the human interaction. It also helps users and the client to be a more convenient with the machine. And the reliability factor increase when there is automation in the workflow. For example, if a user would like to use Amazon application and do the purchasing, then if there is well defined workflow, it also saves the time, and from the organization point of view, it saves a lot of cost. In addition to that, the creation, placement, and adjustments of the cloud computing instances, workflow automation helps business meet their reporting, deployment, and compliance needs. For example, cloud management tools can send the alert message to the manager when any employee tries to move a private cloud workload to the public cloud, which cloud potentially violate company compliance or security policies. You must have seen whenever you are purchasing using Amazon app, if you put the wrong information of your credit card or debit card, you get the message through email or through SMS by mentioning that your transaction was failed. So any process which doesn't work through workflow automation, the alert message can be created. The cloud analysis. Cloud management enables the ongoing analysis of cloud computing workloads and user experience. In a private cloud environment, organization can assure their infrastructure works and offer a basis for tasks such as workload balancing and capacity planning. In public clouds, performance metrics for latency or downtime help ensure compliance with public cloud provider service level agreement. Service level agreement is very important. If organization commits to their client, commits to their customer that they are going to provide the X service with Y facility. If they lack to provide the Y facility under X service, then it is subject to the violation of SLA. And to maintain the SLA is very important for every organization because there is very less human intervention. If a company is not following, the organization is not following SLA, then there is no way to control the mechanism. So the reliability of the customer in the online services, it is very strong because of the SLA. With the use of metrics, organization can also decide whether is the time to change cloud provider or migrate workloads from public to private cloud. The more use of different services can also help to organization to add the more services, to add the more functions into the existing application or into the existing services. The cloud management tools. The cloud management requires tools, and the public cloud providers typically develop highly specialized tools for monitoring, orchestration, cost management, security, and more to suit the capabilities of their services. So what does this cloud management tools do? They monitor, they orchestrate, they manage the cost and the securities and many other functions. For example, Amazon Web Services. It enables users to access and manage cloud instances through a command line interface, which runs individual commands and scripts. Google Cloud Platform (GCP) offers a monitoring and logging tools such as Google Stack Driver, which provides performance data for applications and virtual machines that run on Google Cloud Platform and AWS. Microsoft Azure is another example which enables administrators to automatically replicate virtual machines with its Azure Site Recovery tool. So there are some few cloud management tools which helps different cloud service provider to manage their cloud services. It's a view graph of cloud management components which consist of five major components: automation and orchestration, security, cost management, performance monitoring, governance and compliance. Automation and orchestration consist of application migration, virtual machine images and instances, configuration management. The security consists of IAM, encryption, mobile endpoint security. Cost management consists of cloud instance right sizing, user chargeback and billing. Performance monitoring consists of storage, networks, applications, and compute. And the governance and compliance consist of risk assessment and threat analysis, audits, service and resource governance. So these are the cloud management components which covers different services provided by cloud service providers to the clients. However, most public cloud management tools limit users to basic workload tasks and reporting, and offering little insight into the provider's underlying infrastructure or performance. The third party vendors offer public cloud management platforms to supplement providers' native tools, and thus popular third party options include RightScale, Scalar, Cloudability, and many of these tools can work across multiple public cloud provider platforms. So the cloud management tools are helpful to the cloud service provider. It also helps cloud service provider to manage their services on different aspects. The private cloud management tool. For private cloud management, organizations often use in-house tools due to security and privacy reasons. And there are such tools that can include platform specific management software, for example, VM Turbo Operation Manager and Ambotix V Commander. Some private cloud management tools offer sophisticated software frameworks to manage complex private and hybrid cloud deployments. These tools include Microsoft System Center Virtual Machine Manager for Hyper-V, VMware vCloud Suite, Red Hat Cloud Forms, and Citrix Cloud Platform. These are the few tools which come under private cloud management tools. That's it for the day. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you.